Beautiful modern corner loft in a boutique Art Deco building located in the heart of Brickell. Enjoy bright spacious 1-bedroom 1-bathroom and a half 2-story condo. High ceilings. Impact windows and sliding doors. Open layout with a large kitchen and stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops, washer and dryer in unit. IT also offers 2 spacious balconies. 1 assigned parking space. Great location. Close to restaurants, shops, financial district, Brickell City Center, Mary Brickell Village, parks and much more. Close to Miami International Airport, Miami Beach, Miami River, downtown, Coconut Grove, and Key Biscayne.